Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube end screen and also how to modify the end screen on YouTube Studio. Okay, so this is a tutorial for absolutely beginner, because if you are making YouTube video for a while and you know how to add end screen and also how to modify it. By the way, this is a question from one of my subscribers, so I think it is useful for you. Alright, so for example, here I am in my Filmora video editor, and we have a timeline here with some video, and also I add some templates here for the end screen. So we're going to have the end screen template, and I already export this video. And the next thing you want to do is to upload your video to YouTube, and then you want to add some elements to your end screen. Okay, so let's go to my YouTube Studio. Okay, so here's my YouTube homepage, and let's create a video. Okay, just click this button and upload video, because I already export my video, so I'm going to use that video for example. Okay, and now it is opening the upload video windows, and now we can click here to select the video for uploading. Okay, just click here, select file, and now I'm going back to my desktop. Okay, so this is a video that I'm going to use as an example. This is end screen example. Just select it and then open it. Alright, and now YouTube will upload my video, and this is a title and this is a description. By the way, I just need click on these things, and then I'm going to click next to go to the next step. Okay, monetization, I will turn it off, and next. Oh no, I have to select monetization. Okay, off and done, and next. And now at the last step, video elements, you are able to add the end screen to your YouTube video here. For example, you can click this button to add the video. Just click here, add. It will allow you to add some elements such as your subscribe button, video, and what's next, and best for viewer, and playlist or stuff like that. And here you have some template, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 template and screen template. And remember, we have a video here, and we have two video, this one, and also this subscribe button. Okay, so we go back to our YouTube video, and I think we should select this one. Just select here, and now it will add the end screen to your last 20 seconds, okay, of your YouTube video. And then you want to play it and then reposition it. For example, the subscribe button should be here, and it is the best for viewers should be here, and most recent upload should be in this area. And we can play again to see. Okay, and play. Very nice, right? And being mentioned that you can also change this video. For example, this is best for viewer, but you can select a specific video. If you select here, it will let you select a YouTube video, a random YouTube video on your channel. Okay, for example, I can select this one, and it is more recent upload. I think it's okay. And if you want to have the text what's next or subscribe or stuff like that, you have to add it in your video editor here. For example, if you want to add a subscribe button and you want to add a subscribe text right here, you want to click the add text here, and then move the text here and change it to subscribe or stuff like that. Okay, and if you want to modify your end screen, it is also very easy. Just go back to your YouTube Studio. For example, I can click save now, and click next, and also copyright no issue, and then next. And then I'm going to put this video in private mode, and I'm going to click save to save my video on YouTube in my private category. Okay, and if you want to modify the end screen, when you are here, you want to click here content on the left side, and then you want to click this option, the pen tools. Okay, just click here, and then you will have the option to modify your end screen. And here's the end screen. You can click this button again to edit your end screen. Just click here, and now you are able to delete this video or delete this subscribe button or stuff like that with this button, delete elements. And then you can add more elements to your video. For example, I can click this element. You can add video, playlist, subscribe button, channel, link, and merchandise or stuff like that. So that is how to add and modify your YouTube end screen. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.